Hello everyone, Saidu here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to encrypt and decrypt a plaintext message using an online tool. So let's get into it. But first, let's get this out of the way. In security contexts or cryptography, encryption is a process of encoding information. So this process converts the original representation of the plaintext into an alternative form known as ciphertext or encoded message, which only authorized parties can decipher or decrypt a ciphertext back to plaintext and access the original information with the help of pre-shared key. All right, that's encryption. While decryption is the process of taking an encoded or encrypted text and converting it back into the original text that you can read and understand. Now, with that out of the way, I'll visit this site. I'll have the link in the description box below, aesencryption.net. Now, this is a site that will allow you to enter your plain text and convert it or encrypt it for you. So with the text box here, now let me enter plain text into the text box. You can write whatever you want. The message can be lengthy or can just be short. Now let me write this. This is how to encrypt a plain text message. Now after writing that, I will enter the security code or the shared key or the password, which is CyberOps for now, and then scroll down to the bottom. Found that we have an or before then there is this key. You can select the key length. You can select the 128 or higher key length. The higher the key length, the better the security. So now if I scroll down, I'll see on that button there, I'll click encrypt to encrypt it. So the message has been encrypted now. That is what I'm having. For me to get the result of the encryption, I'll need to click the download button there in order to download the output or the encrypted text message. Now, just have to wait for a little bit. All right, let me save it. You can save, and the file is being saved. So now if I open up this particular file, I will be able to see the encrypted message, which is obviously not something readable or understandable. So now to decrypt this same text message, that is the encrypted version or the encoded version back to a plain text is kind of reverse case, is easy. What I need to do is just copy the encrypted message and paste it into the copy and paste it into the text box there. Paste. Now I need to provide the same password I use in encrypting it, which is CyberOps, and scroll down and click on decrypt. So this will decrypt it, and if I scroll down, I'll see the decrypted message, which is the plain text message we provided earlier. So if I click on the download button there, it will download the output for me. And then I'll save this file. It has been downloaded. So if I open the file now, I will get to see the original plain text that was provided in the beginning of this lab. Side by side, that's what I'm having. The encrypted message and the decrypted message or the original plain text message. Now, something to note with this kind of encryption is the secret key has to be the same. You have to type it correctly. Basically, the same thing used in encrypting should be used in decrypting. So if you are to provide the wrong secret key, the ciphertext will not be decrypted correctly. So take note of that. Alright guys, that's how to encrypt and decrypt a message using an online tool. I hope you learned something from this, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.